Gel's out in ping pong. Watch.
No, yeah, right. Mario's over here losing at ping pong.
Mario, what's up, buddy? Mario, yes. What's up, buddy?
Hi, Corey.
Hi, Steve.
What are we doing today, this week, on the E30?
I think
What the hell are you doing? What is this?
this is dye prep. This is dye.
Ooh.
And that is the carpet that we're about to dye. So the idea is that we're going to go from tan to black. The representatives at AmeriColor said that we're probably going to get to a dark gray. Dark gray is still better than that disgusting looking poop stained.
Yeah, this is gross. This is really gross.
Yeah. So we're ideally going to cover all that up. If it doesn't work, send me an email at corey@fitmentindustries.com if you have a black sedan E30 carpet.
How do you know about this?
I don't really know. The instructions online weren't super comprehensive.
I can see a difference already.
All they said was,
I want to see how this turns out.
I've never seen
It's gonna be a while.
why would you be hurting the build? Please tell the viewers why your help would hurt this build.
So, here's something my dad once taught me, is that when you have a child,
Mr. Martinez, you apparently are like a philosophical god, because this man comes up to me at least once a week and goes, you know, my father once told me.
So here's the thing, my dad once told me is that when you have a kid, that the best way for a child to learn danger is to let them make mistakes. Now you want to make sure that the danger doesn't like hurt them like actually. But when you tell somebody to like, when you tell your kid to put a helmet on and they don't, and then they go over a speed bump too fast and they get hurt and they start crying and you come back and you say, listen, I told you to be safe, they'll usually wear a helmet after that. It's a good learning experience. Corey is my
Or they'll never hop on a bike
I have a
again.
question though.
Corey is my child.
I have a question.
And I am just allowing, you know, certain things to happen just to see what happens.
Hey, so you know that exhaust that came yesterday that we thought was a full exhaust, but it turns out it was just a catalytic converter because they don't actually give you a product description or show you pictures on turn 14?
No, I didn't know any of that. I actually didn't even know that you got an exhaust.
Well, Rich. Well, that happened.
You, wait.
Yeah, we got a high flow cat instead of an axle back because it didn't give a product description, and it just said 318i exhaust. But then we got brakes. We thought they were gonna be really cool, and there was no product description, but it said E30 brakes, and there was no picture, and they were really f***ing baller.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, I was so nervous.
We got real cool brakes.
Those are baller. So what's the brand? We don't know. And you know, maybe he'll get it right, maybe he won't, but I am confident that if he does his research correctly and he doesn't take unnecessary risks, he's gonna do a great job with this carpet.
Doesn't the parent usually tell the kid, hey, don't do this or do this
Yeah, I
first,
kind of said
and
that.
then
I
see
kind of
what
said
happens? Okay.
So,
Hello?
so
Yeah.
Steve was outside,
Yeah.
and Alex, who is a very handsome person, by the way, I wonder where he's at.
So glad the mic is directional.
Said that there was something happening with, you know, not staining the floor.
Oh my god.
Can you just like get a towel instead of reaming me on the internet?
So much more butter.
Dude, I walked away for 2 minutes. What did you do?
It's like when you give markers.
I just feel like you had it right here. Right here. You had right here. All the space.
You see, I see.
And you decided to mix the chemicals here.
Like, I see where you're coming from.
There's no seeing of where I'm
But-
coming from.
But
There's
at the
just
same
facts.
time, like, look at how good the carpet looks.
I feel like the little sister like stuck in between the dad yelling at the older brother.
got 16?
Yeah.
Sick. 16, 20.
You're gonna choke right here. You're gonna choke right here.
Hey Corey, so waiting for that carpet to dry is boring as fuck. What do you say we go fix the taillights that we screwed up?
I think we should do that. They are a bit dark, and we still have half a can of red tint.
Yeah, let's do that.
Now the key is to get a little close, but not too close. You gotta get like just close enough, but not far enough. Do you get what I'm saying, Steve?
I hear you.
So, all of the team leads from FItment Industries, Custom Offsets, Archon, they're all in a very important meeting right now. So we're naturally gonna go break it up and show them taillights. Because that makes sense.
Ugly sweaters that are like printed, but it looks ugly.
Your
I'm supposed to notice that, but
taillights
they're red.
your taillights don't look like a high schooler got a hold of them anymore.
Yeah, they're red now. Kurt, would you like to tell us your thoughts on that?
Classy up in black.
They come factory red. Why
Yeah, but
would you
they
make
have
them red?
orange from the factory.
Yeah, and they're red.
Why wouldn't you just buy clear ones? They look so much better.
Why wouldn't you buy new ones for $12?
Why would you even need to post the
Corey, you
YouTube
should walk
video
out of the
of
room
all
now.
people
Walk out now.
questioning everything
Just
you're
leave.
doing? You could just come
Why
to
are you even
the
working on
video.
E30? BMW sucks!
Alright guys, so as you can see, the carpet's still a work in progress, but we did get the taillights fixed up for you. They're no longer that nasty dark tinted, smoked, kind of hazy color. They're now just all red, giving it that Euro look, which as we found out isn't really a Euro look, considering in Europe you need orange amber lights, otherwise it's illegal. So I don't know how they got to be called that. But anyways, if you need wheels, tires, suspension, check us out at FItmentIndustries.com. Don't forget to subscribe. And I think that's about it.
I'm Corey.
He's Corey, I'm Steve. Peace.
Looking good, looking good. Let's check out these taillights for you guys. So, I know, they look kind of dark still, but I can promise you that they're not that bad, alright? Just gotta double check on something here. Just checking real quick. Alex wanted me to take care. What the hell? You know, I've been trying to tell him, Alex wants this gone. It's a 10, we don't need it, so. Oh, all right, home, sweet home.